the season to be jolly. Oh yes, it's Christmas time again. For parents and caregivers, this season can be extremely hectic with the children on holiday, but there are ways you can get your kids involved. Almost everyone loves Christmas, especially children. They get a holiday from school and are free to indulge in succulent Christmas meals. Many look forward to singing Christmas carols and most of all receiving gifts on Christmas Day. But how can we keep them actively engaged during the holidays?
In our house, we try to make Christmas very special and fun and try to keep the kids from driving us crazy. We do baking, we bake cookies, we bake brownies.
Such activities not only keep the children engaged but aids in their overall development and create an environment to develop deeper friendships.
It gets them involved in being a part of Christmas and actually feeling responsible.
There are a number of cost-effective methods parents and caregivers can employ to ensure they get the young ones to participate in Christmas activities. So for those who have complained that money tight, try baking a potato pudding instead or a traditional Christmas cake. Also,
you can go for walks. If you're living in the country, you can take your children for walks and it's nice and cool in the Christmas. Talk about what's happening during Christmas. You don't need to have a traditional Christmas tree. You can get a nice little ficus tree or whatever you can get, a palm tree or whatever. And one of the things that you can do is you don't need to buy Christmas decorations. You can actually make Christmas decorations, which is even more fun, and you interact with your kids. You can find little things around the house, little trinkets, little boxes and stuff.
So there are a number of things that can be done to ensure that each member of the family is engaged during the festive season. But let's focus some more on food preparation. Food is a major part of Christmas celebrations for many families, from breakfast on Christmas morning to dessert after the main meal. We caught up with some family and friends demonstrating one dish that could be used as part of your Christmas breakfast and one dessert. Today we have with us Santa Israel, Santa Raj and Santa Orion with the help of Auntie Donnet, who will be showing us a simple meal and snack to prepare just for the festive season.
Hi, I'm doing saltfish fritters, which you need saltfish of course, and you need onion, thyme, and scallion. And you need flour, black pepper, salt, and oil.
Auntie Donnet got to quickly cooking with the little Santas who were excited to share in the cooking process. Israel was indeed a little chef who knew his way around the kitchen, and his knife skills were quite sharp. Careful supervision, however, was provided by Auntie Donnet, so parents do take note. After mixing the batter for the fritters, the kids, ably guided, turned on the stove and got to frying.
Right now, that's 2 scoops, that's 2 saltfish fritters.
Right.
The more you put in there, the more saltfish fritters you're gonna get.
These little things are the things what make the saltfish fritters taste nice.
So who said that boys didn't like the kitchen? This Christmas, encourage them like our little Santas to take part in the cooking.
We tend to domesticate the girls alone and leave out the boys. It's important to bring your boys into the kitchen also so that they can become more independent and so that they can take care of themselves and not have to depend on anybody too.
Boys, hope you heard that. When we come back, we'll see how the fritters turned out and watch our little Santas bake Christmas cookies. So come.
I'm Orion.
I'm Raj. I'm Israel.
And you're watching School Zone. Happy holidays.
Auntie Donnet and the children did well with the saltfish fritters. See the outcome. Good job, guys. Now, cookies are a favorite snack for children throughout the year and also make for a great dessert or snack during the festive season.
We are going to be doing cookies. It's pre-packaged. You can get it in the supermarket. First, what we're going to do is, come on guys. We're gonna do the eggs. We're gonna have Raj beat the eggs. Gonna beat it like this.
Then if you're gonna beat it that way, get out.
Right. Then we're gonna have Orion pour the egg in. Just pour it in. We're gonna grease the tin with some butter. We're gonna use a hand towel to get a little bit of butter. And then we're gonna rub it. We're gonna have Raj rub it on. Rub it in. Rub it all over the thing. Get it everywhere.
A cookie cutter was then used to make festive shapes such as Christmas trees from the dough. This is a fun way to incorporate the Christmas celebrations, and children love making these cool designs.
These cookies right here are going to bake for 20 minutes. And then we're going to take them out the oven and put in these.
And after 20 minutes, voila!
These were our chocolate chip cookies. I hope you can try them at home.
Now you see, you don't need a lot of money to engage your children this Christmas. Cook with them, decorate with them, and more importantly, use these opportunities to bond with them. Happy holidays!